Monday. Mike V. Let me open my account. I'm trying not to look. Not trying not to look. I don't want to get distracted. I've been a lot of stocks moving. The last thing, I'm proud of everybody for the lack of a better term. There you go. Jano. BBAI. Here's Tony Pistachio. Wait a minute. SMCI. That was the click. Didn't I say that? Right before here. Let me get on TradeGATEHub. This was the real clean. You know what? I hope I don't get asked by my mentor. Actually, two of them. SMCI was the clean money. Jay Norm, you gave the thumbs up the other day. Excuse me, I got to wrap Tony up here. It's 9 degrees out. This dog burrows and you can't even see him. SMCI, I brought it up on Friday. Jay Norm gave a thumbs up. I said, this stock could go up every day, all day long as the other markets rotate. That's what happened. Does it still have legs in it? I'm not sure. Hold on. Gotta heat up the blanket for the dog. The dog actually gets the blanket heated up from. UNG looks good. Okay, let me see. Where am I? Let's go to stock range. I gotta sign off here. Let me sign into my account. Hopefully everybody has questions. Listen, MP was the one, the Chinese mineral maker. I shorted Bob at the gap. I'm going to take it off. I'm down and touching it. Don't need the headache. I don't want to be looking at the Hang Seng, or not the Shenzhen in the middle of the night. Although that stock DAO, watch it, David Apple Orchard. VNet keeps going. ACB, day delay we call it. We call it resumption trade. Has a big day, falls asleep. People call it a flag. Boom, algos, new high. They took it. I'm not a fan of Aerosmith. I'm more I'm like a grunge guy. You know what I mean? I get it. I get it. Most active on the day, BBAI. NVIDIA, we covered that short. SMCI the day. I'm down money. What happened here? Give me a second. Rocket Lab's not good. Sound is hurting me. GDXJ covered it. MP is the big winner of the day. Let me buy a little bit more here. BlackBerry. CMG. All right, let me get back to you. SMCI. I can't believe I'm not in this. I know people are huge in this. Oh, God, this is going to hurt me. The VIX was so low. What do I pontificate? Am I a fucking hypocrite? That's what I am. The VIX is low. Cut the weeds. Let the freaking winners go. That's clean as they come. Could have played 18 holes. Whatever. Skied. Stock was 32. It's 42. I don't have a share. I got to look myself in the mirror later. ACH Armin, nice. Calls. Oh, big deal. Nice call. YMM taking a lot of calls. The trucker. Breakout. LXRX. Mick, I got to put my ego aside here. LXRX. I put this for Mick taking calls. And by the way, it's taking calls. You know the feed I use? Very rarely are they penny stocks, if you want to call it that. Note that trade. iRobot. No, not your robot. iRobot. All right, they popped. What happened to the goose, by the way? See that? We ran it up before the news. Every other retailer getting smashed. PVH, I came short PVH. My computers are up huge, I'm short. Philip Van Heusen. Listen, it's not the sexy sector, but it's an example how you can be mixed in a market. Well, hence the VIX. Cut the weight. This is clean. Zim. SMCI. I can't believe it. I gotta put everything aside here. TEM. They want to buy it at 70. That's the spot. KULR. Sexy stock taking calls. I didn't look at it yet. Not for me. Nope. A-Lab after the close. In the morning, BP. Calls in BP. Look at this. BP. People are in a different tax bracket from me and British Petroleum. British Petroleum didn't move like this in 5 years. ACB. I don't know. Under Armour taking calls, has nothing. I looked at that and I said, next. Lyft. Well, you know what? You could have said this, Uber. Uber's ripping. Got 100 on it, right? And he said, well, the Mike V principle, Lyft is still, Uber, this other one is still not going, and it's at this 50-day resistance. But the people had said, well, Uber's going, duh, let's buy some Lyft. Bravo. He did it. Well done. Nice call. Deo. Chinese. Yadu. And believe me, man, this thing's got it in it. You know, it's a laggard. It's hurting. I'm day trading more sound than any other stock. I'm trying to corner this thing. But you know what? My ego's is the calls are keeping me in it. But I'm not gonna lie, it's taking a lot longer than I thought it should. Only reason why I'm reticent. You're welcome, Mel. There's the vocabulary. Rocket Labs, ASTS could have been someone. Stocks that we're looking at the past couple of days. I don't want to open up the big thing because then I get distracted. EH, did that follow through? Yeah. Peva, right below. I know what I wanted to buy a little Peva the Gapper. Good. Peva still at the Gapper. Not good. MGNI pulled back a little bit. Saw it. Lunar acting well today. That's the one. Saw it. Go ahead. The Big Daddies, Planeteer. I'll get to them in a second when I look at the screen. You can tell the mix, but I can feel Mick buying LXRX as we speak. Maybe even Jeff. Big Daddies. I'm sorry about. I'm going to change this. We'll be more cognizant. I don't know how to permanently do it, but to take my picture off the corner of the screen so it doesn't impede the great charting we do. Cart ripping and taking some volume in the corner of my eye. Why not? Why just go to Dash? Let's grow. Grab. I think I sold the most of that. What was it? 518? 518? Grab bag. I said, and Jeff was on it. And remember, 518, I sold Grab. I swear to God, I sold 518 Grab. That high that day was what? 520. It turned around, it was 450. Oh my God. Shouldn't be like that. Shouldn't be like that. I'm glad it is. Hard. Glad it is. Instacart. You should Instacart at your own peril. Because I'm going to tell you, Bob, Mr. Jones, this is going higher with or without you. CSAI, the low floater that they're taking into the close. CSI Cloud Structure. It's a great name. Cloud Structure. Yeah. Need 6 figures today. Cloud Structure. Sounds great. Nobody. UNG looks okay. Don't want to take it. I'm just tired. SMCI breaking high. Looks good, man. Boy, does that look good. And the stocks are taking calls. RRC is taking calls. Look at them. I gotta write that down. SM. Penthouse, poorhouse, penthouse to like the mid-floor Boca Raton walk-up. That's what it's, oh no, that's not. That's you. That's what it's doing to me. Cork. Sock it away. Planeteer breaking high in the close. All right, let's get down to business. This Planeteer. Okay. Let's get down to business. Percent gainers, let's look at this in the last 60 minutes. Be cool. CSAI brought it up. SMCI brought it up. RDW, MP, I'm in that. And when did we buy MP, you asked? We alerted in the room. And I said it was sexy. It was, right here, hold on. Final thought, MP, that was 2 hours ago. Mike V, I'm in this thing. That's me buying all the way up. Like this. Well, that's insensitive. Buying MP, I'm cornering the market at 24.70, 25.80. I think it's got 27 in it. But it probably goes higher because if you want positions to work, don't look at them. iRobot, PL, sexy stock. This PL is like BBAI, different sector, but like the same type of charges. Boom, boom, boom. Let's look at percent losers. $60. ASTS, typical. Tesla, IONQ, the ones that they kept up. No surprise. Tesla had a reversal, I think. Everybody's been saying it. We hit the gap. Tesla hit the gap. Look at that. Gap. Nah. Tried it. Had it. Could have did it today and held that 360. Could have did it today. I don't know. Tesla's getting, listen to me. Tesla's getting to be one of these cliches. The poor nomenclature. Own it, don't trade it. You believe it, turn around and look what's happened. For me, it's like, you know what I mean? It is what it is. Pony, the Pink Pony Club. This was a new head sexy IPO. I had a corner just because I like the name Pony. What else was acting good? Another IPO I wrote down in the room today that was acting well. Oh, this one they like. AMPM. I don't know what this thing is. I know what it is. They're buying this thing here. I don't know what's going on. They're buying it today. Stocks cool down. Yeah, docs. No problem. 60.85, 3 days. Firmed. No problem. Oh, God. Look at this JG. Holy stocks. JG. 17 to 12. The other VG. Just take it off. Another one that's freaking has a huge 25 to 17. You know what? They're buying today. No, it's taking calls. Anybody there? Yeah, you're there. Can't do it. I need a lot of it. AUR, sexy. Get to know it. That's a that's a J Norm stock right there. That's a J Norm stock. It's got it in it. You know what? That's a Mike V stock. It's a Mike V stock. Any questions, you bastards? Let's go to my Twitter feed, see what's going on at the end. Just we'll go over tweets. This is the Pink Pony Club. Pardon me. Elon's all over. This guy tweets more than Trump. Look at this. The last 5 tweets are for Elon. This guy trade? Doesn't he know the markets are going to close? Nice job, the team behind me, tweeting live. Well done. Again, well done. Gold tops. Oh no. Gold tops 2,900 as China pushes insurance companies into pressure. You might as well say Goldman's increased its price target by 20%. They're getting out. Please, get out of here. Cop. There's Pony. Gold. Well, they're flying. They're trying to scare me out of gold. It's all right. Who's this? Jim Cramer. Way to go on the Eagles. Ski Daddy. Federal budget. We don't want to know that. We're too smart for that. We don't know that stuff. Spot gold again. History. Oh my God, the jinx. It's like everybody's betting the Chiefs with gold right now. Coach had this as Larry's been on it as a guest. But Coach, that's what Coach Brand. Seriously, you know what he does? He's all over it. You know, I don't know. I don't think he's necessarily Larry apologizing for not being in Deo, but he's in the Baba, the best of breed. Now, let me tell you what I see about Baba and why I tried. Actually, I am shorted. Short too much. I'm sure 3,800 shares. Where is it? Let's go to it. I'll take maybe over below 110.50, please. Ugh. There. Not smart on a short. What a putz. Wasted money. It's way I could put, but you know what? Who was NP? We got NP to offset it. You know what? A decent traded NP. I could let that little Baba leak up a little bit, and it offsets it. Just an unnecessary trade offsets. Well, I'm going to make a little bit more in NP. I hope so. WPM. This is the one they've been going through. The bull miner. The bull flow. I love that symbol WPM. That used to be the old silver Wheaton. SLW for any boomers out there. What do you got? Might as well be Rocket Lab at this point. It's a difference. Rocket Lab, WPM, HIMS, Chinese Real Estate. It's all right. No worries. It's all right. Amazon. No new eyes. I try not to. I try not to form an opinion. I didn't read the papers. I want to know why UPS is down here. I certainly want to know why people Planeteer. I want to know some things. Can't. You get biased. It's where the economic situation crosses up with it's where the higher education crosses up with the racetrack and sentiment theory. Next, I love to want to know what's going on. Just even the good story. Bad story, good story. Want to know? Can't do it though. Can't do it. SMCI. I gotta look myself, everybody. They look Tony Pistachio in the mirror. If he ever comes out. And he's gonna say, why am I not eating it? You know, why am I eating blue buffalo instead of the farmer's dog? I'll say, you know what, man? SMCI went right through the 50-day at 34 and over share until 43. How would you do? VIX, big boys. Here you go. I use the VIX, the trading instrument, if you will. No new lows. You have a lot of it. Listen, danger zone. This is what you save. I didn't know now what I own. BBAI, SMTC, KB, Toast, Fresher, Sound. I can't get it. GameStop. Okay. Can you on my screen? Look at this. There you go. Yeah. I swear I hope it's 100 or more. I don't have it. Just another blow something up. OFPI can have a bad day. Disney can't catch a bid, right? Huh? Disney can't catch a bid. Planeteer catches bids. CF caught a bid. Moss caught a bid. Lithium can't catch a bid. Oclo no bids. GDXJ caught a bid. I'm short it. Baidu's not catching a bid, and so does Baba. JD, high of the day. JD, oh my God. Oh God, JD. Is JD? Real man thinks. Real man takes it. Oh, Rocket Lab. What happened here? You break high at the close? Rocket Lab. Very simple. There we go. The 1 minute. Rocket Lab. By 800 Rocket Lab. Boom. Shopify has earnings, by the way, tomorrow morning. It affects JMIA. Oh, God, I have enough JMIA to choke Secretariat. I know I overuse that term. Starbucks, Disney, LVS, Lewis. What happened to that pen? See this LVS? Look at the. Whoa. I don't know. You got some pen. I don't know when, but it looks like you could buy a little here, man. I'm a little engulfed in some things. Looks good though. No joke. Smar up $1.60. Oclo down. Wayfair, Elf bounce, nothing. ACB, there's Hims, hottest stock on the board. Citibank gave it all away. What did I lose money in? Oh, Schwab. Bad trade. They did the secondary. Naturally. The only one I sold it, got rid of it, punted it, right near the low. Took a loss. All right, we all good? Microsoft breaking lower of the day. I'll keep going. Hang up on it. Ugh. Doesn't matter. Planeteer goes the other way. AMD. Wow. God, come on. Go on up on it. YMM. You know what? Let's look here. This one looks good. I think it has more in it. Ugh. SMCI. Not giving back any at the close. VNet, literally the cleanest stock. No gaps. It's beautiful. Look at this slope. It's so beautiful. It's a frozen one of those rope. Not even that big of a hiccup. You didn't even have to flinch. Even the rookie wouldn't flinch. All right, I'll be in the room. Cheers. Be aware. BP in the morning. So I don't know if the activist investor is skewing the stock. DuPont in the morning. Yes, I'm a boomer or Gen X. Marriott and shop. All right, we'll be right there. Cheers, Mike V.